My name is Ramil Bettany, co-founder of Modulus, and we are a London-based construction technology business with the sole aim of transforming the housing industry. Right, so after many years of frustration in the construction industry, our team decided it was time for change, and we set out to revolutionize the way homes are delivered. Our mission, quite simply, is to enable the high-speed design and delivery of quality, sustainable, and affordable homes at scale and pace globally. There is a chronic housing shortage, which if some of you were joined in the roundtable we discussed briefly, population has doubled in my lifetime alone. We need to build over 500 million new homes at a cost of approximately $16 trillion just to keep pace. And the industry just doesn't have the ability to deliver that many homes. In addition, we're faced with an aging population. Households are reducing in size. There is a construction skills shortage and a material shortage, and construction costs are constantly escalating. And one of the biggest problems is a very protracted and inefficient design and planning process. There's a 4 million home backlog in the UK alone, and a growing deficit of about 140,000 homes a year. So the problem and the scale of the problem is enormous. And it was clear to us that a complete change was needed. In fact, and I mentioned this in the roundtable before, the construction industry has been identified as the 19th least disrupted industry on the planet, with only hunting and fishing lower. And this problem has been picked up by the World Economic Forum and various other publications by McKinsey and KPMG. Our team came together in 2017 and has a very rich heritage in design, construction, and also finance, and experience in designing and delivering major projects, including some well-known projects like Emirates Stadium and the Google headquarters in California, which some of you might be familiar with. And we decided we had to completely transform the way homes are delivered. The team heritage provides us with a unique depth of experience, from consulting engineering to architecture to tech innovation to finance, from a wide range of global companies and organizations. Some of the projects that the team have delivered include some well-known stadia here in London, Newbury Racecourse, airports, BBC Broadcasting House, the Google headquarters in California that I've mentioned, and a lot of residential projects as well. So our understanding of the problem in delivering homes at scale and pace is very well understood by the team. Clerkenwell Close, bottom left corner, was a Sterling Prize nominee, and Murray Grove in London was one of the first modular homes or apartment buildings built in London. So based on our heritage and experience at Murray Grove and Google headquarters, amongst others, the very core of our DNA embodies our strive for zero carbon and zero waste design. This mirrors the Sustainable Development Goals, which are a collection of 17 interlinked goals, which you'll see on your screen there, designed to be a blueprint to achieve a better and more sustainable future for all. These SDGs were set in 2015 by the United Nations General Assembly and are intended to be achieved by the year 2030. That's quite a steep target. Our modular solution has 11 specific touch points within the SDGs. Health and well-being, one of the key ones, which ensures that there are no materials of concern and that the homes meet the WELL standards. Others including affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and production, climate action, partnership for the goals. Primary focus for us being to ensure that our build solution increases energy efficiency, reduces energy use, reduces building waste, and minimizes vehicle movements from suppliers and to sites and around sites. The only solution for us was to develop a fast-track platform to accelerate the design process, digitize the construction process, and enable a network of third-party assemblers to deliver homes locally to the project. With an automated accelerated design platform, which I'll go into more detail shortly, and I'll run you through that, providing a continuous digital thread through design, procurement, and assembly, provides developers and clients with a cost and program certain solution. The accelerated design software allows for architecturally designed, fully engineered, and planning compliant designs to be created in real time. And incorporating a standardized but exceptionally high performing kit of parts that enables rapid assembly, similar to the automotive and aerospace industries, which we discussed in the roundtable. This standardized kit of parts allows us to incorporate as standard intelligent design and smart materials in order to achieve the highest levels of energy efficiency, sustainability, acoustic performance, and occupant health and well-being, as well as ensuring that with meticulous design and use of non-combustible materials, we exceed fire safety building regulations, requirements, and prioritize occupant safety. And this is of paramount importance, especially in the UK post-Grenfell, which is now 3 years on. This is all underpinned by a mature, extensive, and fully integrated supply chain network. This allows our system to deliver comfortable, safe, and stylish homes that are both affordable and sustainable and ensure occupant health, well-being, and safety. The secret behind our transformational approach is the integration of the kit of parts and the automated design process. Kit of parts is one of 3 data sets we use to automate and accelerate the design. The other 2 are the building codes and the developer's brief. Now, the kit of parts allows us to produce a standardized carcass for the building. So everything that's invisible within the home is standardized. Everything that is visible, such as the interiors, the fixtures and fittings, and the exterior and the facade, are completely customizable and can be bespoke designed. So with our system, the developer can jump on the platform. You can set up the project and upload the plot of land you're keen to develop. Once you've done so, you can feed in all the details about the project.
We can't hear you, Ramel.
Right, so in this case, we choose a residential multi-story building, maximum height. We choose a mixture of 1, 2, 3 bedroom apartments. We can choose the height of the building as per planning requirements. With that information, we input the model and we run the simulations. We can run thousands of iterations of the project on that particular site. And in this instance, we're going to look at return on investment. We're looking at feasibility, what's feasible and what isn't feasible. We have land values. We also have potential revenues. We have the cost to build, and we can start to establish which options work and which ones don't. We can then select our favorites, and then we can start to refine them further with more advanced engineering analysis. So in this instance, we're doing a direct.
Hi, Ramel, 2 quick things. One, your slides aren't moving, and secondly, need you to wrap up in about another minute or so, please. I'm not sure where Ramel disappeared to.